Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use XLOOKUP in Excel. To begin, open your Excel workbook and identify the data you want to search within. XLOOKUP is a modern, powerful function that simplifies data retrieval. It's a significant upgrade from VLOOKUP, allowing you to search in any direction and offering more flexibility. This function is perfect for quickly finding specific information in large datasets. Let's break down the XLOOKUP syntax. You'll start with an equals sign, then XLOOKUP followed by parentheses. Inside, the first argument is your lookup value, what you're trying to find. Next, specify the lookup array, which is the column or row where Excel will search for that value. Finally, define the return array, the column or row from which you want the corresponding result. These three arguments are essential for any XLOOKUP formula. Now, let's try a practical example. Imagine you have a list of product names in column B and their prices in column C. If you want to find the price of a product listed in cell A2, your formula would be equals XLOOKUP, then A2, followed by the range B2 to B10 for the product names, and finally C2 to C10 for the prices. This simple setup will instantly retrieve the correct price. Remember, XLOOKUP defaults to an exact match, which is often what you need. XLOOKUP offers several advanced features to make your data analysis even more robust. You can easily handle errors by including an if not found argument, returning a custom message instead of an error code. Additionally, the match mode argument allows for approximate matches, which is incredibly useful for scenarios like finding values within a range, such as discount tiers. You can also specify a search mode to look from the last item to the first. For more great resources, including a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, check out the description below for that and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.